Yo, what's good YouTube? Welcome back to another video, and today we have a car show going on at my school. We're gonna have some amazing content coming for you guys, but we about to get the morning started. We're about to go to the car wash. My car really need a wash because since I painted it, I haven't had time to wash it because it's just been parked up, just getting work done to it and stuff. And the weather here haven't really been nice. It's been raining, snowing. Even though we're in spring, guys, it's still snowing up here for some reason. I don't know, but let me get you guys a cold start real quick. So we just now got to Advanced Auto not too long ago. Probably just gonna pick some stuff up just to like wash the cars. I don't have anything to wash my car as of right now, so probably just gotta buy some rags, soap, some stuff for the wheels. That's about it. Alright guys, so this is what I got so far. I got stuff to clean my wheels, chemical guys, a sticky citrus gel, and it's a wheel cleaner. This is really good. My boy actually let me use his before and actually clean my wheels really well. And I got some like stuff to just dry my car off. It's probably like $30. That's all I'm gonna spend for right now. But let's go to the checkout, honestly, because this is all I'm getting. I'm not getting anything else. Parking lot of Advanced Auto right now. My boy Biggs just taking care of the whip. Make sure the coolant is up to maintenance and everything. Dropped the radiator in there yesterday too. The radiator was leaking, so he's just making sure the coolant level is right and it's gonna bleed it. That's about it. So before I actually pulled into the wash station, my buddy let me use his the hose that he was using because he was finished with the wash station. So he let me use the hose to pre-soak my car because I was right outside the door. So I pre-soaked it, pulled it in. Then I pre-soaked it one more time, then I soaped it up, and then I started washing it. After washing, guys, it was now time to rinse this foam soap off. The hose, it does look like it's a high pressure hose. However, it's not, guys. The water was just coming out and it was just running on the car. However, if you do press the trigger on the handle, it will come out as high pressure. And I did not use that because I did not want my paint to peel.
We froze, cold night in the winter, how goes. Sorry that I fall away sometimes. Sorry that I fall away sometimes. Yeah, the end, got to end it all on the weekend. Sorry that I feel that way sometimes. Sorry that I feel that way sometimes. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, we out. that turbo though, bro. I think it was yours. Stop.
You gotta turn it down, man. I'm pissed that we get to a video. Fall back on you.
Fall in love. I just wanna have some fun, yeah. I don't wanna fall in love. I just wanna have some fun. I don't wanna fall in love, 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 fall in love. I don't wanna 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 fall in love. I just wanna have some fun, yeah.
No, yeah, it's been, I've been here almost longer than they have. It wasn't under its own power. But I mean, the guy driving it, props to him for doing that. Sometimes, sorry that I fall away sometimes. Yeah, the end, got to end it all on the weekend. Sorry that I feel that way sometimes. Sorry that I feel that way sometimes. Oh, yeah. You don't really wanna know me, hanging in the corner with a nose bleed, high on whatever they sold me. That's the old me, yeah. 6 years later trying to find me, still trying to figure out the line piece, looking for the love inside